Welcome to the CCLingo Speaking Gym. Do you understand English when you listen, but feel shy or nervous when you try to speak? Do you always translate words in your head before you talk? You are not alone, and this video is exactly what you need. We're going to practice spoken English using one of the most powerful techniques, shadowing. Whether you are returning for day 4 or this is your very first video, you are in the right place. Today is part 4 of our 1,000 most used sentences in the world challenge. In this video, we will master 50 sentences, focusing on location and directions. You will practice exactly what to say when you talk about places you visit and how to get there. You will learn how to ask and answer questions about locations, distances, routes, and how to describe where things are. We selected these sentences using big data because they are the most frequently used in daily life. The rule is simple. I say it slow, then normal speed. You shadow me loudly. When you repeat after me, your mouth learns how to move. Your brain learns how to think in English faster. Your confidence grows with each sentence. By the end of this video, speaking English will feel much better. It's okay to make mistakes. That's how we learn and grow in our English channel. Ready to build your English muscles? Let's begin. Where can I find a bank? Where can I find a bank? There's one on the corner. There's one on the corner. How far is it? How far is it? It's about 10 minutes away. It's about 10 minutes away. How do I get there? How do I get there? Go straight and turn left. Go straight and turn left. Where are you? Where are you? I'm at the station. I'm at the station. What is your address? What is your address? I live on Main Street. I live on Main Street. Is there a bank nearby? Is there a bank nearby? Yes, next to the market. Yes, next to the market. Which way is the museum? Which way is the museum? It's that way. It's that way. Can you show me on the map? Can you show me on the map? Sure, we are here. Sure, we are here. Is this the right way? Is this the right way? I guess so. I guess so. Where is the entrance? Where is the entrance? It's around the corner. It's around the corner. Are we lost? Are we lost? No, I know this place. No, I know this place. Is it upstairs? Is it upstairs? No, it's downstairs. No, it's downstairs. Where can I park? Where can I park? You can park over there. You can park over there. Is the hotel near here? Is the hotel near here? Yes, just 2 blocks away. Yes, just 2 blocks away. Where's the bus stop? Where is the bus stop? It's across the street. It's across the street. Do you live around here? Do you live around here? Yes, I live nearby. Yes, I live nearby. Where did you put it? Where did you put it? I put it on the table. I put it on the table. Is it inside or outside? Is it inside or outside? It's outside. It's outside. Where are we going? Where are we going? To the supermarket. To the supermarket. Can we walk there? Can we walk there? It's too far to walk. It's too far to walk. Where is the exit? Where is the exit? Follow the green sign. Follow the green sign. Is it on the right? Is it on the right? No, on the left. No, on the left. Where do you work? Where do you work? I work in the city center. I work in the city center. Where is my bag? Where is my bag? It's under the chair. It's under the chair. Are you close? Are you close? Yes, almost there. Yes, almost there. Congratulations! You have just completed today's shadowing practice. I am so happy you came back today. Give yourself a little pat. You are doing amazing. Showing up every day is how real progress happens, and I am really, really proud of you. Remember, this is more than just an English video. This is your daily speaking gym. Come back every day and practice with me. You are moving from A1 to A2 and soon to B1. And yes, advanced English is absolutely possible for you. If you want to remember these sentences more deeply and build them into your typing muscle memory, you can also use our website. This method has been proven by millions of learners and has an excellent effect on memory. You can go to our website and type the exact sentences you just learned today. This typing practice will force your brain to remember every word naturally. The typing practice feels fun, like a game. The best part? It's completely free for a limited time. You can find the link pinned at the very top of the comments section. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss more. It truly helps us create even more for you. Keep going, keep growing, and keep speaking. I can't wait to see you next time.